Hey everybody, Ryan Jackson here. Hope you're having a fantastic day. We're going to talk a little bit about Article 550, which covers mobile homes, manufactured homes, and mobile home parks. One thing that's worth remembering, and this is back in Article 100 in the definition of manufactured home and also the definition of mobile home, is in the NEC, for the most part, we consider mobile homes and manufactured homes to be the same thing. Okay, so don't really wrap your head around the axle. Do I have a mobile home? Do I have a manufactured home? Because normally we treat them the exact same in the NEC. So remember that, and let's take a look and see what Code Making Panel 7 did here for Article 550. All right, 550, mobile homes, manufactured homes, mobile home parks. 550.51, service equipment. Surge protection is now required for replaced or relocated manufactured and mobile homes. So remember that at the end of the day, a manufactured home, which is what this is, a manufactured home is a dwelling unit, right? And it needs to be wired as though it's a dwelling unit. So all the rules in chapters 1 through 4 apply, other than as 550 modifies them. So where I'm going with this is 230.67, right, which covers surge protection at the dwelling unit service. 230.67 says you need to have surge protection for the service supplying a dwelling. Well, that service is supplying that dwelling, so you need to have surge protection. And fortunately, 215.18 was added, which provides some relief that says, well, if you provide surge protection at the feeder circuit instead, then you might not have to have it at the service equipment. And for an installation like this, that would definitely be the case. So 230.67 already applies, right? And 230.67 says if you do a service change, if you change the service equipment, you have to provide surge protection. But usually at a manufactured home park like this one, you're not doing service changes, right? A service change would mean that you're changing this equipment. And that's probably not something that happens very often. For a manufactured home, these things are usually dropped in place and they just stay there forever. If it's a mobile home, then they drop them in place and they may stay there for 6 months or 60 years, right? Anywhere in between. And they usually will take it with them if they ever move. So what this rule is saying is if existing service equipment is connected to a replacement manufactured or mobile home, then a surge protection device that complies with 230.67 must be provided. All right, so here I've got this mobile home that has been there for 20 years. It decides to take off. We put a new mobile home in its place. The surge protection requirements of 230.67 now need to be followed, which means at the panel board in the manufactured home or mobile home, you're going to put in a surge protection device. All right, so there you go. Pretty simple change, pretty straightforward, but it makes sense because, like I said, you don't really do a lot of service changes at mobile or manufactured home parks. And by the way, a lot of times the service might even be a 1200 amp switchboard that has a bunch of feeder circuits going out to the individual units and metered at the individual units. So to just say the service equipment wouldn't necessarily make sense in the context of a mobile home park. All right, so hope you enjoyed the video, and hope you'll stick around. We're almost 3/4 of the way through our journey together here. It's going to be sad to be finished with it, actually. So next video, we're going to change gears and start talking about marinas, boatyards, and docking facilities in Article 555. And those of you guys that have been in the industry for more than like 10 minutes, you probably know that we're going to be in Article 555 for a hot minute because a lot of stuff has happened in Article 555 over the last 15 years, and this edition of the code is no exception. So hope to see you then. In the meantime, please do be careful out there, and we'll see you then. Thanks, everybody.